Under these conditions, 360 must be completed, so 120 plus 80 plus, let me say, x must be equal to 360, so x must be equal to 300 minus 200, that is equal to 160 degrees. So we found that this angle is equal to 160 degrees. This means that since I have the ratio 1, 2, 3, that is equal to the ratio of 80 to 120 to 160 must be preserved. So when I divide each side by 40, what I have is 2 to 3 to 4. According to the figure, the distance traveled by the first car is 270 kilometers, and the distance traveled by the second car is equal to 900 minus 600, that is equal to 300 kilometers. So the distance traveled, the total distance traveled in 3 hours is 270 kilometers minus 300 kilometers because of the direction. So so this is equal to 570 kilometers traveled in 3 hours. So let's have the ratio now. If we traveled 570 kilometers in 3 hours, how long would it take to take the entire distance? That is 900 kilometers. So x is equal to 900 times 3 over 570. That is equal to, let's make the simplifications. This is going to be 19 when I divide by 3, and divide by 3, and this will cancel out. That is equal to 90 over 19 hours. Choice A says that the number of male employees who have ever come late is 48. Yes, when we sum these numbers up, we got that. And number of female employees who have ever come late is 36. Yes, that's true too. So A and B are true. When we sum these numbers, we get to 36. The ratio of late-coming females to late-coming males is 3 over 4. Late-coming females is 36, and late-coming males is 48. When we simplify by 12, this is going to be 3, and this is going to be 4. So the ratio is 3 over 4. Yes, that's correct too. The company has 84 employees in total. When we sum these two numbers up, what we have is 4, 8. Yes, we have 84. But this 84 is not the number of employees in the company. This number is only the number of latecomers. So choice D is incorrect. Find the average number of visitors in January, May, and March and May. January, March, and May. I had 2,400 visitors plus 1,200 visitors plus 2,400 visitors in how many months? 1, 2, 3 months. This is equal to 6,000 visitors in 3 months. That is equal to 2,000 per month. Is models A and B are the least sold models? They say yes, models A and B are the least sold models. Average number of cars sold per model is 11. Let's calculate it. We have two 5s, A and B, and C is sold for 20, and D is sold for 10, and E is sold for 15, and we have A, B, C, D, E, 5 car models. That is equal to what we have here is 30, 45, 50, 55 over 5. That is equal to 11. So A is correct, B is correct. Sum of models A and E cars sold is equal to the model C cars sold. A and E, that is 5 plus 15, is equal to C cars, which is equal to 20. That is also correct. Models B and C are the most popular ones. Models B and C, they say model C is the most popular one, but B is not the most popular one. Maybe the answer could have been E. So this is the wrong answer. So we sign this one. According to the graph, C has the largest portion here, and D has the second largest, A has the third, and B has the least one. So what we will have to look for here is D having the largest portion, and then C having the largest portion, and then D, and then A, and then B, which we see in C. So that figure that we see is something like this. Here being B, here being D, C, and A. The least paper-consuming 3 schools are A, B, and E. That is 10 plus 20 plus 30 divided by 3 is their average, which makes 60 over 3. That is equal to 20. Number of weekend shoppers is equal to 600 plus 400, these two figures. And the weekday shoppers is the sum of these 5 figures. That is equal to 1000 plus 400 plus 600 plus 200 plus 800. And this is equal to 1000 over 3000, which is equal to 1 over 3. Probability of a randomly selected book being a faulty book printed in February. So that probability is 20, because there are 20 faulty books printed in February, and the entire number of books is equal to 900 plus 1200 plus 1500, and that is equal to 20 over 3600, which is equal to 1 over 180. We're looking for the wrong information. Let's check one by one. The average number of graduated students is 550. The average number is equal to 400 plus 500 plus 600 plus 700 divided by, there are 4 universities, and this is equal to 550. So choice A is correct. The ratio of the greatest number of graduates to the least number of graduates is 4 to 7. The ratio of the greatest number is 700 to the least number is 400. So this ratio is equal to 7 over 4, not 4 over 7. So B is faulty, the wrong one. Let's check the other two to make sure. The university which is closest to the average is C and D. As we see, the average is 550, it stands here, and C and D really are the closest ones. This is also correct. The university with the least number of graduates is B. Yes, it is, with 400. So what we need to check is B.